feel your heart, is it beating? Cause I want to let you know you're alive, you have feelings. He's the one who gave you a soul. Don't deny what he's giving you. Don't pretend like you know nothing at all. At all. Look in the mirror, tell me what you see. Don't be blind, tell me now what you see. You're created by the one above, the most merciful, the one who loves.
So we finally got to Durdle Door, right? And we thought it was going to be all sunny and it was going to be a nice trip, but look at us, it's so windy and it's so cold. I didn't even bring a jacket. I thought it was going to be nice and sunny. Bro, I'm going to bring my shorts and everything.
Look what it says.
No pedestrian access. We just reached to the part where we can actually see the sea, but we still got a bit of a walk apparently to the main Durdle Door part. So, mate, and look, the funny thing is, yeah, it says do not climb cliffs, no drone flying, no fires or barbecues, no camping, no rubbish. But guess what, I bought a tent and we're definitely camping here. I bought a drone, we're definitely flying the drone here. So mate, I'm sorry, but those rules, I gotta break it for today, man. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Put up our tent and we're literally camping at the beach. Oh, Uber, open up the thing to show them. Called the Havana. It is gorgeous. 3 man in a tent. It's a bit crowded, but we're gonna kick Ali out because we don't want him to be here. Ali's gonna sleep outside. Ali,
how you go, mate?
How you go, man? Come on. But look at that view. Ooh. Can't wait till the morning. We're gonna get that sunrise. I'm gonna climb up to the mountain, get some nice drone shots, and I'll catch you guys in the morning. So we literally just got done packing up. Oh, look at this view. This morning when I was trying to get those drone shots, right? I was trying to get this shot from the ocean where it's coming from, like that. It was coming like this, yeah? And then the wind is still strong right now, but the wind is so strong that my drone was almost crashing onto, like, over there, like behind this one. It's just one of those moments, like, it's happened to me plenty of times before, but every time this happens, it's just crazy that adrenaline that comes in because your drone's about to crash, so you gotta save it. So I literally like push it up, yeah, and I force it against the wind, and like the wind stops at that exact very moment, so my drone balances up, and then I'm like, that's it, mate, you're landing today, mate, you ain't going nowhere. It's now officially morning time, but for now we're actually going on top of here, all the way down there for some pictures. You know, we gotta do it for the Instagram, boy.
He is our creator, he is our sustainer, and he is the one who has power over all. Give thanks to Allah for the moon and the stars. Praise him all day for what is and what was. Take hold of your iman, don't give in to shaitan. Oh, you who believe thanks to Allah. Allahu Ghafoor, Allahu Rahim, Allahu yuhibbul muhsinin. هو خالقنا ورازقنا وهو على كل شيء